57 Harriet Street, exploratory dig for grade beam and helical piles within the minimum tree protection zone of neighbor-owned Norway maple, Acer platinoids. So this hole, this trench actually, along the east side, there is a lot of roots there because the tree is right there. We're just going to show some measurements here. We are at the southeast corner of the laneway suite. A 4 centimeter root. A 3 centimeter root. A 4.5 centimeter root. 2 centimeter root. A 3 centimeter root. 1 centimeter. This is coming off the root flare, but then under this there's also more roots that we can't get at. So moving to the north, we have a giant structural root. Part of it is 8 centimeters here. And we have a 5 centimeter section and a 2 centimeter. That's part of, there's a lot of root matting. That's 1 centimeter. And then coming over to the northeast corner, we have a number of roots here. Put on the 10. Put on the 10.
That's okay.
We have a 3 centimeter root. Just going to estimate the others based on that. We have a 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and a 3 centimeter root. So coming along the north side at our next helical pile location, there's no roots. On the next pile location, no roots. Moving south, minor root here, but there is a large flat rock here we could not get through. They're just minor 1 centimeter roots. This was a test hole. No roots in it of significance. Coming south. No roots of significance. And along our south wall, this is at the southwest corner. We have a hole, no roots. There's also another helical pile planned here where my foot is. However, this is asphalt. You cannot dig through this. It's part of the edge of the laneway here. Now coming along. Next root, next hole, no roots. But then here we have a 3 centimeter root. So the grade beam is not really possible, especially when you're getting closer to the east side. Helical pile locations are good except for the east side here. Something's going to need to be done to bring this back. Maybe cantilever over. Again, at the north east corner, may be possible to put a pile here. However, pruning of roots under 5 centimeters, probably 4, will need to be approved. However, this major structural root here, the 8 centimeter one. This needs to be retained. We've got to do something here. And then also this large root mass in the southeast corner is going to need to be retained.